Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'm going to show you how to color correct any image in less than 30 seconds. On the left here, we have the original shot, which is fine, but it's a little bit cold. But using the technique we're going to take a look at now, on the right-hand side, you'll see it's just much warmer and vibrant and ultimately much more natural looking. Before we get started, my new book, The Digital Darkroom, the definitive guide to photo editing, is now available. The link to order is in the description. So here we have the original shot, and it is just extremely neutral in terms of the color balance. So what we need to do is simply select the eyedropper tool by pressing I on the keyboard or clicking on the tool palette over here, and then just make sure that sample size is set to 3:3 average and that sample is set to all layers, because if you're working with other layers above the background, it needs to be picking up all of those. And then all that you need to do is left mouse click on a neutral part of the image, so ideally a grey or a white, so I could sample from the earring or the background here. Then go to the adjustment layer icon, which is the half white half black circle at the bottom of the layers panel. Click on solid color, and typically it will open up on brightness here down at the bottom. If it isn't, if it's on any of the other settings, just hit B there and just drag that slider up to the top and then hit OK. And then all we need to do now is change the blending mode from normal to divide, and there you'll see that our color correction is applied. And the skin and hair are looking much better. But let's just take a look at the whole shot. So to me, it looks like the background is also picking up some of that warming that's going on here. So I typically find that this technique does over fix the colors, if that's even possible. So what I tend to do is usually use it at around 50%, and I find that that provides a much more natural looking end result. Of course, you can use it at any strength, but it's just 50% that seems to be the most natural result. So that is how to color correct any image in Photoshop in less than 30 seconds.